Hey everyone, welcome back. Super happy to have you here. My name is Ranita and I like getting into makeup and beauty reviews. Today I'm going to be getting into the IPSY Glambag and Boxycharm by IPSY July spoilers. Now these did actually come out like a few days ago and I was going to sit down and film everything and get it up like ASAP on the same day that I'd actually done part 1 of my spoilers, which I'll link over here if you want to go and see. But I honestly needed a break from the channel, needed a break from social media. It was a very, very tough weekend for me. And I just needed to take a few steps back and, you know, just unwind and not think about all of this stuff for a while. So that's exactly what I did. And without any more delays, we're going to jump into the spoilers. So I'm going to do the Glambag spoilers, and just bear in mind that the photos I show you are not necessarily exactly what you're going to get. And we've got the very first one. So this is by Tarte. It's a Fake Awake eye highlight, and it's basically a cream eyeliner from what I've gone and seen, and it brightens up your eyes. It looks really nice. I've always wanted to kind of do that the highlighting thing like on my eyes, and you know, kind of using it here in the waterline. But the thing that I was wondering about is, will this shade be suitable for my skin tone? Because looking at what I saw on the Target website, where this is $24 by the way, it kind of felt like it's more suited for fair toned skin tone. So I'm just not really sure if that would be the best thing for me, but maybe it would, because I don't know. I mean, I used to use white, you know, back in the day, and I felt that was a bit too harsh. So I'm just kind of, yeah, maybe cream would be a lot better. All right, next I have this over here. This is the Bronze and Glow Drops with Niacinamide by First Aid Beauty. Now, if you go to their website, this is $28, and it says that it's got 5% niacinamide to hydrate and strengthen your skin's moisture barrier. It sounds really nice. I'm just not really into bronzing drops. I know that this is something that is done a lot, like, you know, in the US, but I'm just really happy with my skin just looking like my skin. I don't feel like I need to add bronzer or anything to it. I mean, I'm just happy with the way it is. So this is probably not the product that, you know, I'm the most excited for at the moment. It's just like, okay, you know, if I get it, I get it. The bright side is that, you know, First Aid Beauty has some incredible products. I've been using one of their scrubs. It's the body scrub, and it's to get rid of bumps. I think it's called the bump eraser, if I'm not mistaken. It's a big tube of like 200 grams. And I've honestly been having such good results with that. And so nowadays, like even the serum that I got just recently, I've been using that and I've been liking that as well. So nowadays, whenever I get First Aid Beauty, I'm pretty happy with it. It's just that if it's a bronzer, yeah, then it's not really my favorite thing. Next, we have another Brio Geo product. So this is the Air Dry Hair Styling Cream. It's a leave-in soft lotion for heatless styling, and it gives you 24-hour frizz reduction. So this actually sounds really, really nice for my kind of hair, because as you can see, even here, I'm actually wearing a styling cream. So yeah, this sounds pretty good. I'm actually wondering if, you know, like Brio Geo has done a deal or something with IPSY, because even, you know, the previous, that's this month, we actually got that avocado thing. So I tried a little bit of it. It was okay. My hair is very thin, so I kind of had to adjust the amount that I was using. I feel like in smaller quantities it's been working okay, but it's not necessarily my favorite one, because I do feel like my hair ends up being very greasy with it. And I feel that when I was using other curl creams, like my Aveda one, and then there's the other one, which is the, what was it called? It was something like Taraji, which also came in by IPSY. I think that one is actually my favorite out of all of these hair things that I've tried. And it's such an obscure brand that I'm hoping and praying that, you know, this doesn't like go out of stock. But yeah, I'm willing to try this and see how it does. It looks like it's got some really, really good reviews on their website. It says awesome for frizz, which is exactly what I have. So maybe that one will actually, maybe this, like, I mean, this one will actually do better for my hair. So if we're gonna get this, then I'm gonna be pretty happy. So this one says it's a soft power air dry cream, enhances your natural texture. Okay, maybe that is exactly the one that I need. Maybe the avocado thing was just a dud for me. Like, I don't know, like it just wasn't my favorite. Like, I can get over the smell. It's got a very strong chemical smell, which is what I said to you the last time I had you here. And it's going to be $26. Now that moves us into the next one, which is a product by Keys Soul Care. That's the Alicia Keys brand. And I've tried so many products from this range, and I actually really like them. I think they're excellent. I tried the exfoliator, I've tried the cleanser, I've tried the moisturizer. I had that roly thing. Like, I got a whole set once. I think it was through IPSY as well, and then I purchased a couple of things on my own. This is a really good brand. I really like it. So we're basically getting a moisturizer, which is it's got SPF 30. It's called Protect Your Light. That should be pretty cool, I guess. And I'm just checking the price here on Amazon. This is $32, and it seems like from the ratings that it seems like people seem to like it. So anyway, 96% of people said their skin was hydrated immediately and over time. 93% felt that their skin was balanced with immediate oil control. 100% said the formula blends invisibly into the skin. And okay, well, that sounds nice. I mean, I'm willing to try it out because, like I said, I've actually really enjoyed everything that I've gotten from this particular brand. They really do have some excellent things, especially one of their cleansers had manuka honey in that, and that is so nice for dry skin. It's excellent. All right, so next we have this, which is a product by Neogen, and I am actually really excited about this because Neogen has amazing products. I've gotten to try their Boxycharm, then I actually got their panthenol as well. That was this box that came, because I told you I'm buying IPSY as well now, so I get like double, you know, like the products and everything. So I got the panthenol and I was so happy with that one. So this over here is the double Vita Drop in serum to brighten and moisturize your skin, and it's for all skin types. This is 50 ml. So bear in mind that this over here is essentially the stuff that you're going to be getting in your IPSY Glambag. So that means that you're probably not going to be getting the full size one. It's going to be a sample size, and even a sample size is great because it gives you the chance to try out a product that you may not have tried out before. So I haven't tried that one out, and that's why I don't mind, because, you know, obviously it's going to give me a chance to actually see whether this will work for me or not. Now, if you're going to just buy that at the full price, it seems that the full price for that is actually $32. So yeah, it's nice to be able to get that sample size so that you can kind of see if this is something you actually want to invest in or not. Now we also have this. This is the MIA by Maciel. I've never heard of this, and I apologize if I've said this wrong. This is the MI Artist Blending Sponge on the website. Now you can see it's got that lip imprint on the image, which is pretty interesting, I think. But if you actually think about it, a beauty sponge for $15, which is how much this is going for on the website, it kind of feels a bit ridiculous to me, honestly. I mean, I know where I can get like 10 to 12 sponges for, you know, maybe the same price or even less. So I just wasn't very excited about this one, and I mean, I don't think it's the best thing that you would get. Like I kind of wish that they would give you like a packet of these if they're going to give you sponges, because $15 for a sponge, that's a lot. Okay, so yeah, that was not my favorite thing. Okay, next we have this over here. It's a Watermelon Dream All-in-One Eye Cream, which I'm actually pretty excited for. This is by Dallas and James, and I'm assuming that this is also going to be in a sample, like in a smaller size, because, you know, again, we're talking about Glambag here. So I don't know, I think that this sounds really wonderful. Now, if you actually go and look at this on Amazon, the full size one, which is 30 ml, is actually $48. So it's kind of nice that, you know, we're going to get a smaller sized one to try out. It says that it plumps and hydrates with hyaluronic acid, decreases puffiness under your eyes, strengthens your skin barrier, eliminates dryness. Everything is sounding wonderful. Plus watermelon, perfect for summer. So this soothes and helps protect against sun damage. It smooths your skin texture and improves makeup application, brightens with niacinamide and vitamin C, increases collagen and skin renewal with retinol, and promotes youthful glowing skin with cloudberry seed oil. This looks like it is just, it sounds like it's packed with things that, you know, your skin is just going to love. Now, the interesting thing is when you look at this on Amazon, there's only like 2 reviews here, but both of them are 5-star reviews. So I don't know, let's see. Like, I would love to try this out. It does sound really nice, and I think that watermelon is perfect for summer. So, you know, I would say, yeah, that's a success for me. I'm happy that I'm getting that one, actually. Anything watermelon related in summer is going to be a yay from me. Okay, and then last but not least, I have this here for you, which is by Lith Beauty. It is called the Night and Day eyeshadow palette. I'm not really feeling this over here. It just kind of feels like a very, very similar to all the other seasons that, you know, yeah, like I'm just not into nudes that much. So when I see colors like this, I'm kind of just like, like, you know, this is not what I was looking for. If I'm being perfectly honest, I struggled with finding this palette online, so I don't know if this is a brand that's still around or anything like, I mean, because there's so many palettes that look very similar to this one, so it was very challenging to actually find this brand. And in the end, I kind of just gave up. I was just like, okay, whatever, you know, it is what it is. So maybe this is something that's not really around anymore, which IPSY has kind of done before. We've gotten, you know, products that are not available on the websites, or, you know, they've kind of been replaced by something. So there was like a spoiler that was kind of like concealed, so I didn't really know what it was. It was like a pink tube, so I'm gonna have to wait and see what that is. I honestly do not know. It kind of looked like a light pink kind of tube, so maybe a lip product for summer, maybe. I mean, you know, it could be that. It could be a moisturizer, because honestly, when you're looking at the Glambag, so many things get packaged up, like, you know, in those tiny tubes. So it really could be anything. So I don't want to say anything because I really don't know like what to expect here. But I am going to move on now into the Boxycharm by IPSY. So this over here is by Love Yourself Beauty. This is the Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick for $20, and it looks pretty nice. LYS Beauty has lovely products. I've actually enjoyed, you know, using their lip products in the past, and I've received quite a few things from IPSY and Boxycharm too. So this one basically over here is a lip product that has chia seed oil to deeply hydrate and volumize the look of your lips, hyaluronic acid, which infuses your lips with intensive hydration, and then maxi lip for visibly plumps and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it looks like they're giving us some really nice lip products probably this July. At least that's what I'm getting from it. Now I don't know what shade this is going to be in, so we'll just have to wait and see. This is a matte lipstick, so I'm wondering just how moisturizing that is, because, you know, I would love something that actually is matte but also moisturizes. So I'm very, very intrigued by this. I would be very happy if I got something like this as well. Okay, next we have this. This is African Botanics, a mineral cleansing mask. Now this is a little crazy because this costs $85. My goodness, I would never buy this. Like, I would never buy this on my own. $85 is crazy. That is really expensive. But let's go and read up about this. So it says that it's packed with cutting-edge plant stem cell biotechnology, niacinamide, lactic acid, essential minerals, and unique botanicals. It's a gentle clay-based treatment that clarifies and revitalizes dull, congested skin without irritation or dehydration. So that sounds fascinating to me. The other thing is that it is sold out currently on their website. So I'm hoping that this is a product that is just really, really popular. I've never heard of this brand before. But it sounds intriguing, so I'm gonna be looking forward to this. I hope that, you know, this is a good one. I mean, for $85, I should hope that it actually is that good. So let's see how that actually goes. I don't mind a mask because, I mean, I do a mask once a week anyway to cleanse out my skin. I find that very, very important to remove impurities from the skin. So this is something that I really would not mind at all. Now this is a repeat thing that you've already seen because I did this in my very first IPSY spoilers video. This is the palette by Laura Geller. It's the Seasonless Staples Wildflower Wishes eyeshadow palette. This is a 14 pan palette, and I think it goes for about $45 if I'm not mistaken. I think the last time also I had said that. I kind of had mentioned that I'm not super excited for this, and I still kind of feel the same way. I think that this would be better for fall than summer. It just feels that way, but it's also just the fact that there's just so many browns in this palette. So many browns. So it kind of just feels very repetitive to me. You're getting like browns in your Glambag, and you're getting some more browns in your Boxycharm, which, yeah. So not the most excited about that, but, you know, yeah, that's the palette that they're going to be giving us. This over here is the Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder, and I think that this is probably going to be given to us in the shade Universal. I already went and checked this out. This is, it has a range actually. There's multiple colors here. So I'm wondering if they're only doing universal because universal is, you know, for everybody obviously, or if, you know, it's just going to be like dependent on skin tone. I don't know, like maybe it'll be different for people who are buying it and what I'm getting, you know, in the creator box and everything. So I've never tried Danessa Myricks products, I think. Like I don't recall trying anything from her before, so this will be interesting. I know that a lot of people love the brand though. So anyway, this is a revolutionary microfine lightweight translucent powder developed and tested with 8K TV and film and flash photography in mind. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, well that sounds really awesome. I mean, like if it's gonna be so fine. So they say apply with a brush or sponge, use under foundation to control oil, and use over foundation to set and finish your makeup. You can apply with a dampened sponge for a fuller coverage application. Okay, well that one sounds fantastic. Now that one I'm actually really looking forward to. I would be so happy to get that. Last but not least, we have this over here by Tula. So this is $42. It's the Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint with SPF 30 over here. And let me see, do they have a range? Because I'm looking at this on, yeah, okay, so they have other colors in this range. Again, I'm very curious as to see what color they're going to be giving, because, you know, this obviously is not going to be like one shade for every single person, so that's going to be interesting. I think you'll probably get like a choice of what color you want. Usually IPSY does do that. So let's read about it. It's got collagen to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, ceramides and hyaluronic acid to moisturize and condition your skin barrier, rainbow seaweed, that sounds so pretty, helps to brighten and protect the damaging effects of blue light and pollution, and then S6 Pro Complex. It's a proprietary Super 6 blend of prebiotics and probiotics to help improve skin smoothness and maintain skin balance. That sounds amazing. Like, oh my goodness, I would love to get this in a color that actually suits my skin tone. I really hope and pray that I do, because they have 30 shades from like everything that I'm seeing over here. So it brightens and evens the look of your skin tone and provides SPF 30 protect. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this. Like, I really am. In fact, even if I don't get the right shade, I feel like I want to come and just buy this, because it sounds fantastic. It's perfect for all skin types according to what they've written here, and it's a breathable skin tint that's infused with all of this. Yeah, we already read that. Okay, yeah, I don't know, this one sounds amazing, and I'm just coming down to the reviews here on Amazon. People seem to look pretty nice. People are saying, I love the product, it's on the lighter side. Okay, well, you know what, I'm looking forward to this one. I hope that it actually works out for my skin. And basically, I think that's about it, because I covered some of the earlier products in my very first video. So this one is just, you know, kind of covering everything else. And oh, I forgot the last thing. There was a reveal by IPSY on their stories where they had kind of shown a product and they had put a question mark on it, and they were like, ooh, like, what is this? So I actually think that this is going to be something from Grown Alchemist, because it kind of looked like that. And I've received products from Grown Alchemist before in IPSY, so it could be that. It could be a new brand also that, you know, we've never heard of, but I think it's most likely going to be something like that, because IPSY has this thing where they'll give you, you know, the same brands but in rotation. So yeah, that's basically it. Those are all my spoilers for you. I hope that that was fun to go through. I know that I'm a bit late, so I'm not really expecting like a ton of people showing up here for this video, but I still wanted to do it anyway and share my thoughts with you. And I hope that you have a wonderful week. I will try and be on the channel a bit more this week. I may just be a bit slower this week. I'm not really sure as of yet how this week's gonna go, but you know, you will see me if you see me. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will catch you very soon for a video, I hope. Lots of love to you, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.